yeah, you see, so at this point, if you're happy with that, that is not, to my mind, too offensive to have as the inside of your bag. Like I would top stitch, I would pink, but you could easily leave that as the internals of your bag, and there would be some bag makers out there that you probably bought and it's left there, no bother at all. However, that is not how you want to finish your bag. If you want a nice smart finish, then with what wax you had left, and you might have to join a little bit, then because this doesn't fray, this wax is brilliant. Jane and I had this whole debate, like, oh, it's wax. It doesn't fray, but you can just fold it and it holds it. You don't have to press it with heat. It's brilliant. Then you can just cover those seams